Picture this. It's Thanksgiving in Texas, the air thick with the scent of roasted turkey, cornbread dressing, and that one uncle's famous pecan pie. The Cowboys are crushing it on the flat screen, beer bottles clinking like distant thunder. But at the kids' table, now the adults' table because time marches on, you're cornered. Aunt Karen leans in, her fork hovering over the cranberry sauce, eyes narrowing like a hawk. "So, honey, when are you gonna settle down? Clock's ticking. You don't want to end up alone, do you?" Your plate goes cold. You're single, fresh out of a divorce that gutted you like a holiday bird. The family chatter swells, cousins bragging about their perfect spouses, grandma reminiscing about her 50-year marriage, dad muttering about real men providing. Shame slithers in, uninvited, whispering you're a failure, behind, broken, the one who couldn't make it work while everyone else plays house under the harvest moon. Football cheers fade to white noise. You force a smile, mumble something about focusing on myself, but inside, a firestorm rages. This isn't just Texas, it's every American heartland holiday. Thanksgiving tables from the Midwest cornfields to Southern barbecues, Christmas Eve in New England farmhouses, 4th of July picnics where fireworks mask the real explosions. Family pressure isn't polite chit-chat. It's a cultural ambush. We're raised on the American dream. White picket fences, 2.5 kids, golden retriever in the yard. Hollywood sells it. Rom-coms where love conquers all by reel 3. Social media amplifies the lie. Instagram reels of engagement rings glinting under fairy lights. TikToks of couple goals synced to country anthems. And if you're post-divorced, queer, child-free by choice, or just not there yet, you're the outlier, the cautionary tale passed like mashed potatoes. That shame? It's toxic kerosene on your soul's fire. It tells you timelines are sacred. Marry by 30, kids by 35, or bust. Miss the window and you're doomed to a lonely recliner, binge-watching Hallmark movies alone. Post-divorce, it hits harder. You've already failed once, right? The ink's barely dry on those papers, and bam, relatives turned therapist, grilling you like you're on trial. What happened? Couldn't keep him or her happy? As if love's a ledger you balance, a mortgage you default on. The weight crushes. Am I unlovable? Too picky? Damaged goods? Turkey turns to ash in your mouth. But here's the real talk, straight from the gut. Timelines are bullshit. Pure, patriotic, star-spangled bullshit. America wasn't built on clocks. It was forged by rebels flipping off kings, pioneers blazing trails no map marked, dreamers betting on themselves when odds screamed quit. Your path to love? It's yours alone. Fierce, unapologetic, turkey or not. Divorce didn't end you, it excavated you, shattered the illusions, burned away the shoulds, left you raw and real. That's not failure, that's freedom. Think about it. Those aunts with their pearl-clutching advice, they married young because that's what good girls or boys did in their era. Shotgun weddings, staying for the kids, silent suffering behind closed doors. Stats back it. CDC data shows divorce rates peaked in the 80s, but today, over 40% of first marriages still end. You're not the anomaly, the fairy tale is. And post-50 love? It's exploding. Pew Research notes remarriage rates climbing, with apps like Bumble swiping right on second chances. Your timeline isn't late, it's liberated. Reframe the firestorm. That Thanksgiving grill, it's not judgment, it's their fear projected. Fear of their own unlived lives. You're the phoenix. Single post-divorce means space to rediscover what sets your soul ablaze. Date that artist in Austin who quotes Springsteen lyrics like scripture. Road trip solo through Big Bend, windows down, wind whipping doubts away. Say no to settling, yes to the slow burn of real connection. Love isn't a race, it's a revolution. Fierce means owning your scars as badges. Yeah, I divorced. Learned more about me in 1 year than a lifetime of perfect. Unapologetic? Ditch the explanations. Mind your plate, Aunt Karen. Mine's overflowing with possibility. America cheers the underdog. Remember Rocky Balboa, battered but unbreakable, climbing those Philly steps? Or Dolly Parton, heartbreak queen turned empire builder, singing Jolene while building Dollywood? They're us, messed up, marvelous, rewriting the script. Your love story doesn't need a deadline, it needs your grit. Block the whispers, curate your circle, friends who toast your glow up, not your single status. Therapy? Hit it like a gym session. Journal the wins, that coffee date spark, the quiet nights rediscovering joy. Metrics shift. Not who's the one, but am I the one for me? Fast forward 1 year. Same Texas table. Aunt Karen asks again. You grin, turkey juice on your chin. Settling down? Nah, I'm blazing trails. Who's ready for seconds? Laughter erupts. Not pity, pride. You've flipped the script. The firestorm? Now it's your bonfire, lighting paths others fear to tread. So own it, America. Your heart's no turkey on a platter. It's wild, untamed, ready to soar. Timelines shatter under rebel boots. Love fierce, love unapologetic. Your feast awaits.